Welcome to Clouds.Training. This is part 7 of OOPS Concepts training program. In this lesson, we will learn about nested classes. A class defined within another class is nested class. By default, nested class is private class. If we don't specify any access modifier, it will be treated as private by default. Let's see this with an example. Here I have created a simple console application in Visual Studio Community Edition 2017. Added this project to our existing solution which has all the projects from the previous lessons. In this, I have created a container class and added a child class called nested. In this, we have created a default constructor, added a message I am from nested class. Now, this nested class is initialized using container class dot. We are able to access the nested class and we can create the instance of it by using the new keyword. In the similar way, we create instance of a class using new keyword. Now, we have mentioned that if we don't specify any access modifier for this child class, it will be treated as a private class and it is not accessible. We can clearly see that once we delete the public access modifier, we are no longer be able to access the nested class. And when we run the application, we can see the output. I am from the nested class. We are able to instantiate the default constructor of a nested class from the container class. That's how we can create nested classes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.